So guys, once you're on this screen, you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard, which will now pull up the command prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in disk part, click on enter. And now you want to type in list space disk, click on enter again. You're going to be seeing your disks right here. You want to take note of the drive that you want to install Windows on. For me, I've only got one disk, which is disk 0, and it's got 64 gigabytes, so I know that it's this one that I want to install Windows on. So you want to find the disk that you want to install Windows on. You will know which one is which by the size. So now once you identify the disk, now you want to type in select space disk and then the disk number. For me, it's going to be disk 0. So I'm going to type in select disk 0 and then click on enter. And now you want to type in clean and then click on enter. And now we're going to type in create space partition space primary and then click on enter. And now you want to type in format space fs equals ntfs space quick. Click on enter again. And we can now resolve this. So you want to type in exit and then type in exit again. We're now going to be back here. And now once we're here, you want to click on refresh. It should now be showing your drive right here. You want to click on it and then click on next. And you can now install Windows, and this should now fix your problem.